If Windows 11 Security Update KB5121003 is failing to install, or you're getting an installation error while trying to update your PC, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several solutions that you can try to fix this problem. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully, and let's get started. The first solution is to manually install the update. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Update Catalog. Once you're on the Microsoft Update Catalog website, search for KB5121003. You should see different versions of the update. Make sure you select the version that matches your system architecture. For example, if you're using an x64-based system, download the x64 version. If you're using an ARM64-based system, select the ARM64 version. Download the update and manually install it on your Windows 11 PC. If the update still doesn't install, try the next solution. Now open Windows Search and type Services. Open the Services application. First, find App Readiness. Right-click on it and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then click Start and select OK. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, also known as BITS. Open its properties and set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then select Start and click OK. Now scroll down and find Windows Update. Open its properties and set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, select Start and then click OK. After that, close the Services window and go back to Windows Update. You can also try pausing Windows Update temporarily. Select Pause Updates, choose a date, wait a few seconds, and then check for updates again. If you're still experiencing the problem, check your system configuration. Open Windows Search and type system information. Open it and look for BIOS mode. Make sure it's set to UEFI. Also check Secure Boot State and make sure it's enabled if your system supports it. While you're here, check your BIOS version and make sure your motherboard BIOS is up to date. If everything looks fine but the update still fails, try repairing the Windows Update components. Open Windows Search, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as administrator. Now use the Windows Update repair commands provided in the description. Let each command finish before moving to the next one. Once you've completed the commands, close Command Prompt. You can also use PowerShell as administrator to reset the Windows Update components if the problem continues. After completing the repair steps, restart your computer and try installing KB5121003 again. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you install Windows 11. If you're still getting the error, let me know in the comments which step you're stuck on, and I'll try to help you out.